Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Bush Doctor is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile tools for any gardening enthusiast, offering a unique blend of natural ingredients designed to enhance plant health and yield. Whether you're a seasoned grower looking to optimize your harvest or a beginner aiming for lush, vibrant plants, this product promises to be a game-changer in your horticultural journey, simplifying complex feeding routines and delivering visible results that speak for themselves. Get ready to transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem with this powerful, yet easy-to-use, solution. Number 5. Humboldt's Secret Sweet and Sticky Plant Energy Additive. Introducing Sweet and Sticky, a powerful carbohydrate and saccharide additive designed to enhance your plant's growth and development. It provides essential energy for stronger roots and better nutrient absorption. This fast-acting liquid formula energizes your plants during crucial growth phases. Its unique blend fuels plant metabolism, supporting faster growth and increased resilience through every stage. Experience enhanced flavor, aroma, and essential oil production. Use it during the flowering phase to maximize bud development and improve the overall sensory profile of your plants. Whether you're growing indoors or outdoors, this additive ensures consistent performance. It provides the same reliable energy-boosting benefits for all your herbs, fruits, and flowers. Fully compatible with all Humboldt's secret nutrients, it rounds out your feed schedule. It ensures steady performance from seedling to harvest, regardless of your growing medium. You may receive our previous or updated packaging during this transition. Rest assured, the formula and performance remain the same, delivering the results you trust. What we like. This product delivers a powerful carbohydrate boost to support root vitality and enhance nutrient absorption. It energizes plants during key growth phases, promoting faster growth and resilience. If you're looking to maximize bud development, boost crop quality, and improve the overall sensory profile of your plants, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is very user-friendly and easy to operate. It has a lot of useful features that make it stand out from the competition. Number 4. Humboldt's Secret Starter Kit Pack. Introducing the Humboldt's Secret Starter Kit, your all-in-one solution for plant nutrition. This comprehensive system provides everything you need to support your plants from the very beginning to the final harvest. Achieve strong and steady growth with our balanced liquid plant food. Its concentrated formula provides essential nutrients to strengthen roots and promote faster, more stable development. Our versatile nutrients are designed to work with any grow medium or setup. Whether you're growing indoors or outdoors, in soil or hydroponics, they mix easily and perform reliably. Simplify your indoor gardening with this effective plant food. It supports root health and vibrant color with minimal effort, making it ideal for any indoor space. This plant fertilizer liquid seamlessly fits into your grow routine. It provides consistent nutrition and reliable support through both vegetative and flowering stages for long-term plant health. What we like. This kit includes 6 essential products to support plant health from start to finish, streamlining feeding and encouraging vigorous development. It provides balanced nutrition for strong, steady growth across all life cycles and works in any grow medium or setup. If you are a beginner or looking for an effortless, all-in-one solution for your indoor plants, you should consider this. What people say. The Bush Doctor is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including clearing brush, trimming hedges, and even chopping firewood. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. The Bush Doctor features a powerful motor that delivers impressive cutting performance, making quick work of even the toughest vegetation. Number 3. Dr. Joe Lab Rosehip Oil. Discover the natural goodness of pure rosehip oil. It's perfect for nourishing your skin, leaving it feeling soft and revitalized. This versatile oil is ideal for your hair, skin, and body. Experience its all-natural benefits for a healthy glow. Our rosehip oil is cold-pressed and completely natural. We ensure you receive the purest form for maximum benefits. Beyond skin and hair, it also helps strengthen your nails. Enjoy a holistic approach to beauty and wellness. You'll love the generous 16-ounce size, providing ample supply for all your beauty needs. It's a great value for a premium product. Choose Dr. Joe Lab for quality you can trust. Our commitment is to provide you with the finest natural ingredients. What we like. This is a pure, unrefined, cold-pressed rosehip oil. It is suitable for face, hair, skin, body, and nails. If you are looking for a natural, versatile oil for multiple beauty and skincare needs, you should consider this. What people say. The Bush Doctor is a powerful tool that effectively removes unwanted vegetation. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliable performance in tough conditions. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing user fatigue. Number 2. Dr. Joe Lab Rosehip Oil. Discover the natural goodness of pure rosehip oil. It's perfect for nourishing your skin and leaving it feeling soft and revitalized. This versatile oil is ideal for your hair, face, body, and even nails. Experience its all-natural benefits for a complete wellness routine. Our rosehip oil is cold-pressed and unrefined to preserve its natural potency. You get the purest form for maximum benefits. Formulated with all-natural ingredients, it's gentle enough for daily use. Enjoy a pure, unadulterated skincare experience. With a generous 32-ounce size, you'll have plenty to enjoy for all your beauty needs. It's a great value for a premium product. What we like. This is a pure, unrefined, cold-pressed rosehip oil. It is suitable for face, hair, skin, body, and nails. If you are looking for a natural, versatile oil for multiple beauty and skincare needs, and prefer a larger size, you should consider this. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for my plants. It helps to keep my plants healthy and vibrant. I have seen a significant improvement in the growth of my plants since using this product. Number 1. FoxFarm Bush Dr. Kelmag 1 pint. This vital supplement combats calcium and magnesium deficiencies. Ensure your plants have the nutrients they need to prevent blossom end rot and tip burn. Prevent costly issues like blossom end rot and tip burn. These essential minerals strengthen cell walls, aiding fruit development. Using this fertilizer is simple. Just mix 1 teaspoon per gallon of water and apply weekly. Start before bud development and continue as needed. For optimal absorption, keep your pH between 5.6 and 6.8. This product is a supplement for calcium and magnesium deficiency. We have been producing top-quality fertilizers since 1984. Each formula is greenhouse tested for consistency, ensuring you get the best results every time. What we like. This product provides a vital supplement to combat calcium and magnesium deficiencies, helping to prevent blossom end rot and tip burn. It strengthens cell walls, aiding fruit development and ensuring nutrient availability. If you are growing plants that are prone to deficiencies or experiencing issues like blossom end rot, you should consider this. What people say. The Bush Doctor is a powerful and versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.